Let me ask you, when was the last time shopping excited you? If it's been a while, discover Temu. This phenomenal marketplace is redefining what it means to get value for your money. With millions of products spanning every category, Temu offers quality products at prices that make sense. From cutting-edge gadgets to cozy home textiles, trendy accessories to practical items, Temu's inventory is diverse and affordable. What sets Temu apart is their direct-from-manufacturer model, eliminating unnecessary costs and delivering savings straight to you. And we're sweetening the deal with an exclusive coupon code. Shopping on Temu is a breeze with intuitive navigation, smart filters, and a powerful search function. Customer reviews provide transparency, while secure payment gateways ensure safety. Plus, with satisfaction guarantee, you can shop confidently. Ready to revolutionize your shopping? Head to the description and comments to grab the link and our special coupon code. Experience the Temu difference today and start saving on everything you love. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive discount codes and amazing deals.